Hola, we're going to practice now, and in order for you to practice online and have a self correcting program, I need you to open an account with conjuguemos.com. So I give you a link, just click on that, and it's going to bring you here. This is called conjuguemos.com. So you need to sign up. So you sign up as a student. I'm going to make a fake account here for me as a student. So I'm going to put my name and my last name, a username. Please make it with your name so I know who you are, and part of your last name. And then take your password. And you're going to need a teacher code. And that's the teacher code that I will put on the site for you to see it. Send the code, save your password, and now my account is activated. So then once you're activated, you log in, you put your name, your password, you log in as you already signed up, and it's going to ask you to join a class. You're going to join your class period. And for example, if you are in Spanish, second hour A day, you pick that. If you are during the fourth hour, you do that one, or the fifth hour, you do that one. So I'm going to pick a B day, even though it's an A day. I'm going to click update, and now it's going to take me there. Once it takes me there, it's going to take me to the only activity that I have for you guys, and I just want you to do 5 minutes of that. You're going to do the graded practice. Click there for 5 minutes. Now I want you to practice. So you're gonna conjugate. You got your AR. That's two people here, Filimón y yo. That's we, nosotros. So I'm gonna put the verb without the AR part, right? And then for nosotros form is amos. That's my ending. And I'm gonna check my answer. If I have it correct, it's gonna tell me correcto, and it's gonna take me to the second one. So ustedes dibujar, you're gonna put ustedes. So I'm gonna put the boo, right? I get rid of the AR, and now the ustedes form is o, as, a, amos, an. So I know it's an, and I check my answer and I keep going. I want you to look at your score here. I want you to, after 5 minutes of being practicing now, I don't want you to, in 5 minutes, just do 2 or 3 of them. In 5 minutes, you should do, I'm going to say 10, more than 10. And you should have a score of 65 or better. And I'm just being pretty good to you guys there. Okay, so you're going to go like this, and then you go and conjugate the right form. So that's vosotros. O, as, a, amos, an. Oh, that's ice, ice, baby, right? So remember, ice has an accent mark. So you click here, and then I check my answer, and I'll keep going like that. Okay, if you want to, just make sure that you have a good score, 65 or better, after 5 minutes of practicing. Don't send me just 5 answers. At least I want 10 of them. And you do not need to put this on Canvas. This program sends me a result, and that's why your password and your name, your username should say your name, because otherwise I am not going to know whose is whose, and this is going to be used for attendance. Thank you.